What's up everyone, this is Tony with Journey Crypto. Today's video is going to be a live update on my trading series on Binance. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm holding, what I'm going to be trading in this video as well for what I think is going to be the highest potential return on investment over the short span over the next week. So I am going to show you how much my balance has gone up since the last video as well. This is just crazy how much things are going up right now. So we will jump into all that, and I will talk about some other important stuff and why we're still early to the crypto space as well. So before we get started, I do appreciate if you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I will be doing a huge crypto giveaway when we do hit 50,000 subscribers, as well as comment below and share the video. Any of that does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it. So before we get started with the trades, I do want to say thank you to everyone that has subscribed, liked the video, shared the video. Everything has helped this channel grow, and we are currently growing faster than ever before. So I have some huge stuff planned for this channel. I also have a crypto membership site coming up in the next couple months that I have been working on for the last couple years. So what I do for a living is basically make websites and internet marketing, now pretty much full-time into crypto YouTube and crypto content. But I do have a lot of experience in that, so I do want to bring that to the crypto space, which is why I'm creating a crypto membership site. I think I could bring tons of value to the crypto community with this. So I will be doing a pre-sale on this crypto membership in the next couple weeks, and basically this will give you a massive discount on the first year of this membership, as well as it's going to give you an NFT, and this is going to be my first round of NFTs, so the value of this NFT should go up over time as well, and you can sell it anytime you want on an NFT marketplace. And I'm going to add some other perks. I'm trying to bring 3 times the value of what I'm charging for the pre-sale. This pre-sale will be limited to the first 300 signups, and I will announce it here in the next couple weeks, and I will announce a date and time eventually as well. And as soon as that hits 300, I'm going to close it off. So if you're new to my channel and you haven't seen one of my crypto trading series episodes yet, basically what I'm doing, I started with $10,000 on Binance US, and I'm trying to day trade and turn that into $100,000 by the end of 2021, and we're actually almost there already. And I started this at the beginning of summer 2020, so things are really amping up. The last week has just been super crazy in the crypto space. If you're flipping cryptos at the right time, you could pick up an extra 40-50% on your money pretty quickly in just a day or two. So getting into the crypto market here, Bitcoin just hit its all-time high once again, $37,000. Ethereum is testing 1,200. It briefly hit it. So Ethereum will be testing all-time highs in the next couple days, in my opinion, which is around $1,400. I do think Ethereum should be valued around $2,000, possibly by the end of the month. If you do compare it to Bitcoin and how Bitcoin has performed in the last couple months, I definitely think Ethereum's value should be around $2,000. So Cardano today up 25%, up 84% on the 7-day, just insane. I actually did a massive trade for Cardano. I sold 50 Ethereum around $1,000 for ADA, and this was last night. ADA was around 27 cents at the time, so it's gone up another 25%. Ethereum, of course, is going up, but I actually made more profit doing that trade at the time I did. I was able to get 200,000 ADA for just 50 Ethereum at that time. If you guys have been watching my channel, you pretty much know I'm most bullish on Cardano ADA out of the top 10 cryptos. So in this video, it is going to hurt because I am going to sell some ADA, but this is a trading series, so you have to keep in mind, I couldn't keep this trading series going if I just held. There would be no content to create. So while I'm up, I am going to sell some ADA, and I will show you guys what I'm buying. But first, we're going to check out my balance from the last video. So in the last video here, I called to sell XRP. This was right when the SEC news was announced, and I had flipped XRP. I actually caught the 100% pump in XRP just a few days before this, and then I sold XRP. So in this video, 2 weeks ago, December 21st, you guys can see my balance here was $39,000 for my entire Binance account. And you can see I was holding primarily Binance BNB and Cardano ADA. Binance BNB hasn't gone up much yet, unfortunately, but ADA has skyrocketed in the last 2 days. So I do think BNB is one of the next top 15 cryptos that's really going to pump hard. So I will be buying some BNB in this and possibly some other altcoins here. So just to show you guys in comparison, I'm going to show you guys my current balance, but last video 2 weeks ago was $39,000. So we're here on my Binance US account where we have my balance and everything I'm holding. But before I reveal this by pressing this button, I do want to let you guys know you should sign up with Binance US if you haven't already, if you're a US citizen. If you're not a US citizen, you can use Binance.com, and there's links to sign up for both of these in the video description. Using that link does support my channel, which does help me create this content, and it also gives you trading discounts on Binance.com. So I do appreciate if you guys use that link. So another way you guys can support my channel if you do appreciate my content is to sign up for my recommended VPN. This is going to bring you a lot of value as well as give me a referral on here. So my recommended VPN is currently 88% off for the new year, and this is for a limited time. So if you don't already have a VPN, this is a great time to sign up for this one. And it comes out to only $1.32 per month for the 5-year plan. That's less than the cost of one coffee per month. So you really have no excuse not to have a VPN on your phone, especially if you trade cryptos through apps on your phone, or you ever connect to public Wi-Fi's. You should definitely have a VPN on. Even if you don't trade cryptos on your phone, it's highly recommended to use a VPN. You can also use this on your computers, your tablets, and you can use this on up to 10 devices at once, so you can share it with your friends and family as well. And at this great deal, there's really no excuse not to get one if you haven't already. So a link to this will be in the video description, or you can go to jrnycrypto.com/VPN, and this will take you to this page where you can sign up, and then I will get a commission on this as well. Alright guys, so I'm going to reveal the balance now. Keep in mind, last video 2 weeks ago was $39,000 total balance, and what we were holding primarily was $22,000 worth of BNB and 107,000 ADA, which came out to 17,000 USD value at that time. So here we go, $63,880 compared to $39,000 2 weeks ago. Just insane. Honestly, if I was holding all ADA instead of any BNB, this would probably be closer to 100,000 right now, which is just insane. So even though I'm up huge in just the last 2 weeks, I could have had much more profit and been over $100,000 total if I held primarily Ethereum in the last video and then sold Ethereum at the peak for Cardano before that went up, because there was a slight period of time where Ethereum was over 1,000 and ADA was still under 25 cents. So you could have caught both of those pumps if you traded quickly enough. So that's what I'm saying. If you do trades at the right time and you know what you're doing, you could really catch and get a lot more profit. But keep in mind, this is a trading series. This isn't all the Cardano ADA I hold. I hold many other cryptocurrencies, and this ADA is just for the trading series. So although it hurts to sell any Cardano ADA right now, because I do think it's going to be pumping a lot, as my recent video I stated, I think ADA is going to do it 10x by the end of Q1. But I think pretty much everything's going to be moving up in general. But ADA, I think, will have the highest return on investment for Q1. So if you're not a day trader and you just want to hold, then stacking ADA, I think, is a very wise decision for 2021. And I do recommend looking into dollar cost averaging if you haven't. My last video I talked about why we're early to the crypto space still, and why dollar cost averaging is a great way to thrive in the long term and be very successful in cryptocurrencies. So basically this is just spacing out your purchases and buying the dips whenever they come with what money you can. So if you aren't a day trader and you don't have a ton of crypto to trade, day trading really isn't worth it in my opinion. You're going to add a lot of stress to your life watching the prices constantly. You're not going to get too much profits either unless you're trading with a very large amount of crypto. So for like this trading series, I started with 10,000 and now it's building up quicker. And I do think we're going to be seeing spikes in the value of this trading account really start going higher and higher, especially throughout 2021. So in this video, I am going to be selling some ADA just to take profits, and that's the point of a trading series. You don't hold emotional attachment to what you're holding. Basically, when you're up and you think you could be at a resistance level, then you take profits and jump into something else that hasn't moved up much yet, which in this case, I think Binance BNB is still underperforming, and I do think that's the next one to have a pump here. And I did buy that too soon in my last video, but luckily I held primarily Cardano. So a wise move on my part would have been to hold Ethereum until it pumped to over 1,000, quickly jump into Cardano before it was 25 cents, and then now that Cardano ADA is testing that 35 cents resistance, which I do think that could break pretty easily. That's why I'm hesitant to sell ADA, but this is a trading series, not a holding series. So I will be selling some ADA, jumping into BNB and getting a bigger position, because if you check this out, Binance BNB is only up 12% on the 7-day. Even Chainlink has caught up now. This was only around 10% as well on the 7-day. So even XRP being delisted from major platforms is still up 22% on the 7-day and 16% today. So in my opinion, Binance BNB is going to get some attention now. There is profits spilling over from top 10 cryptos. There's just so much money in the crypto space right now that people have the money to pull out and reinvest into other altcoins. And that's what we see is Bitcoin and Ethereum generally going up a lot first, profits spilling over into other top 10s, those going parabolic, and then profits from those top 10 spilling over into top 50, top 100, and other altcoins, whatever is getting the most attention at the time. So I do think Cardano ADA will be quickly going up still, which is why I'm still going to hold ADA in this trading series, but I will be selling some of that to pick up more BNB. So if this goes well and I sell some Cardano ADA while it's at a peak price and at a resistance level at 35 cents, I could jump into BNB since that hasn't pumped much. If that goes up 50% on the 7-day, I could sell that back to Cardano ADA and pick up many more coins. So that's the point of a trading series, is trying to catch pumps before they happen, trying to be ahead of the herd, because whatever the herd does, that's where you're going to see the parabolic gains, and that's where the most profits will be. So Binance BNB, I'm very bullish in general, because Binance BNB is the coin for Binance, and the Binance company is just buying up every major crypto platform, even CoinMarketCap, this site I'm on. This is the highest traffic crypto website out there, and Binance BNB bought this out around 6 to 8 months ago, I believe, and they have improved this website greatly. And basically they could use this website to flip the switch and start promoting Binance BNB as much as they want. And with this being the highest traffic website, instantly that would pump Binance BNB. So the owner of Binance CZ, I bet he's going to be doing some type of promotion in the next few days here, especially seeing as BNB is down the most on the 7-day. So a huge Binance BNB pump could be coming. So just to be diversified, I am going to pick up some Zcash ZEC as well. As you guys see, it's actually down 0.8% on the 7-day here. And that's because exchanges are starting to delist coins like this as well. But look how flat the price is on here, and this has some huge supporters backing it, and I'm going to talk about that as well. So the all-time high of Zcash is over $600. That's a 10x from the current price of Zcash here at $65, and it hasn't gone up at all really yet in this bull market. So I do think this could have a quick pump, 20 to 30% in the next week or so. And I do think that because, as you guys can see here, Tyler Winklevoss is actually promoting Zcash, as well as there's some big investors behind this. So he said Zcash ZEC is easily the most underrated crypto right now. It brings privacy to money, which is fundamental building block of a free and open society. Proud that Gemini supports this noble project, and Gemini is their exchange. So Tyler Winklevoss is one of the biggest names in cryptocurrency, and he's publicly stating Zcash is easily the most underrated crypto right now. Him promoting that, major backer of Zcash. I don't see why it's not up at all yet. And I think that's just because there's word of exchanges delisting privacy coins. So Barry Silber as well, he has Zcash in his description here, as you can see, ZEC, founder CEO of Digital Currency Group, as well as parent of Grayscale, Genesis Trading, CoinDesk. This guy is a big name and major investor in cryptocurrency. So these two guys alone supporting Zcash during a bear market like this, I don't see how Zcash won't go up in the short term. Tyler Winklevoss posted this on January 1st, and this really had no effect. So I'm not going to buy too much Zcash, but I am picking up a little bit just in case it has a huge pump, and then I'll sell the profits into something else. And that's the point of this trading series, is just to catch pumps before they happen. So as we can see, there are some exchanges that are delisting privacy coins, including Zcash. Bittrex here is delisting XMR, Zcash, and Dash is not even really that much of a privacy coin. So Gemini is keeping Zcash, and other exchanges as well. Binance US still has it, so I'm not worried about that. And although it's high risk, I think it's also high reward, seeing as this crypto has been around for over 5 years now. And the peak price of this at the bull run was over $650, which is 10x from current price. So definitely huge potential here. If it does pump in the short term, I probably will flip that for some other cryptocurrencies and try to get in this before it pumps. So definitely think a pump could be coming for that as well. So I'm going to jump over to Binance US now, and I am going to sell Cardano ADA to USD. And I'm doing this because USD, Zcash has a USD pairing here on Binance US. So you have to use USD to buy Zcash, and also I'm buying BNB, and that also has a USD pairing. So it's just easier for me to sell to USD and then use USD to pick up the altcoins I want. So as you guys can see, Cardano ADA has shot straight upwards, hitting 35 cents, now finding support where 35 cents is our major resistance. Breaking past that, we could shoot upwards of $1 ADA, but I do think that will play out over Q1. Definitely check out my recent video for Cardano if you haven't. So I am going to be selling some Cardano ADA here, and as you guys can see in the bottom right, I do have 107,000 ADA in my account. I will be selling 60% just because I think BNB is going to pump. And then I will come back and sell more ADA if ADA continues to pump and BNB and other altcoins don't. So this is high risk. If this was my holding account, I would not be selling ADA because I'm so bullish on ADA in general. But this is a trading series and I am trying to catch pumps before they happen. I could always jump back into ADA if I get a lot of profit on BNB and Zcash before ADA goes up again. ADA could be going down a little bit as well because it just went parabolic very recently. So I am going to sell 64,000 ADA here, which is 60% of my holdings, to USD. And I'm doing that on market just for convenience of this video. Normally I would do a limit order and fill the books. That does give you trading discounts on the trades because you are filling the books with liquidity. Doing market, you are taking liquidity off the market, so they don't want that as much, which is why they encourage limit orders. But for convenience and to make this instant, I'm just going to do a market order here to sell ADA. So there we go. I now have $42,870, and I will be buying some more BNB and Zcash with this. So we're going to go over to the Zcash pairing now, which is right about at $65. As you guys can see with the news of delistings and stuff, someone dumped this straight down to $24 on Binance US. Very recently, this was around $100 in November of 2020 and has actually been going down in USD value. So with such big supporters behind it and everything, and with it being one of the only altcoins in the top 50 that really hasn't moved upwards much, I definitely see a decent pump coming. I'm willing to risk it even if it doesn't, and I'm only going to buy in with 25% here, which is around $5,400 of the USD I got from selling that ADA. And I'm also going to buy this on market here just to make it quicker. So I will be getting around 83 Zcash ZEC, and I'm going to buy this now. And there we go, that executed. I now have 83 Zcash. So I accidentally read that wrong, and the USD value was actually only around 21,000. I actually read the ADA amount for the USD value, so I don't have as much as I just stated. So now we're going to buy more BNB with USD. And I do think both of these altcoins should be going up soon. As we see, BNB is already on the rise at 42.24. And I do think this could be testing $50 within the upcoming few days here, especially if Binance does some type of promotion for BNB. So with the rest of the USD, we are going to be buying Binance BNB, which will give us 385 BNB with our 16,000 USD. And I'm just going to market buy this again just for convenience. So doing market buys, you're not going to get as great of a value, but it does make it instant. So I do have to do 99% here just because it can't execute. And there we go. I now have a total of 1,056 BNB on here because I was previously holding BNB as well. So now I'll go back to my balances and discuss my total balances and what my plans are for the next week or two as well. So prices are so volatile right now. As you guys can see, the total balance is changing very rapidly. I also took a small hit by doing market orders for these purchases as well, which is okay because I just want to make it quick for the video. But as we can see, my total values now is 44,600 USD in BNB, which is around 1,056 BNB tokens. So 500 of these BNB tokens I have to hold in here, which is separate from the initial $10,000 I started with, just to get better referral fees. So I do appreciate if you guys use my link to sign up. There is actually quite a long wait to get approved for your Binance US account. So I definitely recommend doing that now so you can trade on it and buy cryptos later on. Definitely the best place to get signed up if you are a US citizen. Very low fees for buying and trading here compared to websites like Coinbase or Uphold or Crypto.com. So I still have $15,000 or $14,500 worth of ADA here as well, which is still 42,800 ADA. And then now I have 5,500 average of Zcash as well. So that's all I'm going to do for this video. Both BNB and Zcash I think could pump over the next couple days. They're two coins that have huge potential that haven't really moved yet in the altcoin markets, and ADA is up so huge I had to take some profits and diversify. So besides that, keep in mind I did buy $50,000 worth of ADA that I sold Ethereum for. So this isn't my long-term holdings. This is only for quick trades to try to flip and make more profit. So that's it for today's trading series. Be sure to be subscribed and hit the bell to be notified when I make new videos. I'm keeping you guys updated on all the crypto news, what altcoins I'm buying and most bullish on, as well as showing you guys live trades here. And I have a lot of huge content planned for the next couple weeks as well as that pre-sale for the crypto membership I will be launching. So if you guys are new to the crypto space or you know anyone that is getting into the crypto space for the first time, I definitely recommend signing up for my free crypto course here. And this is a 15 video course for crypto beginners called Cryptocurrency 101 Buy, Sell, and Trade for Beginners. Lots of great knowledge in here that will help you get started, and this is on the Spark Point Learn platform. So there will be a link to this in the video description. All you have to do is go to this Spark Learn platform. You register here and you get access to a few free courses on cryptocurrency and finance. So definitely recommend getting educated or sending this to anyone that's new in the crypto space to prevent them from getting scammed, to help them get started with the best exchanges and everything, and how to understand how to hold their cryptocurrency safe. So that's 100% free. Link will be in the video description. I also appreciate if you guys sign up for my recommended VPN and use my affiliate links to sign up for Binance US. So that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I am going to be doing a lot of things on the channel here in the upcoming couple weeks. And if you guys do want to sign up for that crypto membership site, I will be doing a pre-sale for the first 300 signups, and then I will open that to the public in a couple months. So thank you guys again for watching the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please share, like the video, and comment below if you did. And I'll see you guys in the next video.